Hi everyone, this is Inspire Beautiful. You can be strong and still feel overwhelmed. You can be responsible, dependable, capable, and still feel like everything is pressing in at once. Strength does not cancel overwhelm, and overwhelm does not erase strength. Sometimes they exist at the same time. High-functioning people often carry a quiet conflict. Externally, things look handled. Internally, it feels like too much. You're managing responsibilities, meeting expectations, showing up, but your nervous system is tired. Your thoughts are crowded, and your body rarely feels fully settled. That doesn't mean you're failing. It means you've been carrying a lot. Strength often develops in pressure. When you've had to be steady for a long time, you learn how to function through discomfort. You push through, you adapt, and you endure. But endurance is not the same as ease. And being capable doesn't mean you are unaffected. You can be resilient and still need space. When everything feels like too much, it's often not one dramatic event. It's accumulation. Small stresses layered over time, responsibilities that rarely pause, and emotional labor that goes unseen. Because you are capable, you keep going, but the body keeps score. The mind keeps processing, and eventually, the weight feels heavier than it looks. Overwhelm is not weakness, it's information. It's your system signaling that something needs attention. Not panic, not self-criticism, just attention. Maybe you need more margin. Maybe you need clearer boundaries. Maybe you need rest that is actually restorative. You do not have to collapse to justify slowing down. If you are allowed to be strong and still say, "This is a lot," you are allowed to function without pretending it feels easy. You are allowed to recalibrate before you break. Strength is not proven by how much you suppress. It is sustained by how honestly you respond to what you feel. If everything feels like too much right now, pause. Not dramatically, just intentionally. Take one responsibility off your internal list if you can. Create one small pocket of quiet. Strength and overwhelm can coexist, but so can strength and recovery. And recovery is not weakness, it's wisdom. Inspire Beautiful. Take care, everyone. Thanks for listening.